Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about regular expressions. You know that regular expressions or regexes or regex patterns are essentially a tiny, highly specialized programming language embedded inside Python, and it is made available through the RE module. Using this little language, you specify the rules for the set of possible strings that you want to match. This set might contain English sentences or email addresses or any kind of specific strings or anything you like. You can then ask questions such as whether a particular string is getting matched in a given sequences, or is there a match for a pattern anywhere in the string. You can also use regular expression to modify a string or to split it apart in various ways. So first of all, in regular expressions we have to import this RE package. This RE package is very significant. Without this RE package you can't move further. Okay, so here the sentence that I have taken, great companies are built on great products. So basically I'll be searching if any such matches are there which starts with great and ends with products. So for that, this simple regular expression is enough. So here this great word is there, before that this one particular symbol is there, which is power symbol. With this it justifies that whether great can be found at the beginning of the sentence, and also this dollar sign signifies the end of the sentence. In this case we are searching for products. So if these two words are found at the beginning, the end, then we are going to print there is a match. If it is not found, then we are going to say there is no match. So let's run this program. So we can see that there is a match. Okay, so this is, you can see that how powerful this regular expression is. So you can do lot of searching of particular strings in a paragraph, in a sentence, everywhere. Let us say you want to find the email addresses of a particular email addresses that has been sent to your company as spam for, let us say, 2 to 3 months. You want to search those email sources. You can do it by using this regular expression. So there are 4 types of different functions are available which are frequently used. So first one is called find all function. Find all function returns a list containing all the matches that you are searching for a particular string. Then there is a function called search. So if it returns a match, if you are searching for a particular word, it will say that the word has been found and there is a match. Then there is a function called split that returns a list where the string has been split at each match. And then finally there is a function called sub that replaces one or many matches with a string. Okay, so first let us see the find all function. So in case of find all function, we have to use re dot. So let me write over here find all function. So in this case, this instead of search we will be having find all. Okay, and I'm going to find a particular word called at. Okay, substring you can call it. and then this is my sentence. Okay, if I find it and then I'll print it. So let's run this one. So we have found at two locations, two positions we have found this at. That means find all will returns list containing all matches. How many matches are there? How many were searching this at in this particular sentence? How many times the interpreter has found this at? Okay, so this is one time and this is another time, two times. That's why it is written at two times in a list fashion. Okay, similarly we have just now have shown you that if, and then in this case if there is no match, then what will happen? If let us say the word that I'm going to find or the subword that I'm going to find does not have any matches, so in that case what will be printed? Okay, let's say I'm going to check whether worst is a word or substring is available in this sentence. That means we can't find worst here, no matches are there. In that case, what will be the output? It will say, it will give a blank list. Meaning is that this worst word is not found, or the worst this pattern has not been found in the given sentences. Okay, next we are going to see the search function. So search function just now we have seen, but again I'm going to repeat with another example. The search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. Okay, if there is no match, then once there is no match at all, not a single time any match is there, then only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. Okay, but I mean if there is no match, then nothing will be returned. If there is more than one match, then first occurrence will be returned, right? So let us say this is the sentence as usual, and we are going to search it. Search, let's say paragraph. So in this case we are going to find the first occurrence of the blank character. Okay, that means white space, first white space character in the string. So we can see that at fifth position that white space character is available. So if you run it, it has been printed, I am a rock star. Okay, either you can print something here or you can directly do, and at fifth position this has been appeared, this blank space. Next we are going to see how to use, okay, if the element is not available, if the string is not available that I'm searching for, then it will be printed. Let us say here I'm writing, if I write Himalaya, Himalaya is not available here, so in this case it will print, let us say I'm not a rock star. If the string is not available, then we are going to print that I am not a rock star. So if you run it, you'll get the outcome as I am not a rock star. Next we are going to see the split function. Okay, next we are going to see the split function. So the split function is a useful function, and so here again, wherever the split will be there, we have this /s. Okay, and then we are printing y. So this is how it happens. So you can see that all strings have been splitted, all words have been splitted in small part. So great companies are built on great products. So split function will be splitting the sentence in terms of strings. Interesting. And then finally we have the sub function. So this sub function replaces the matches with the text of your choice. Replaces every white space character with the number whatever you want. Okay, so sub function basically replaces the matches with the text of your choice. So let us say in this case, if let us say we want to make a we want to use this sub function with every space. We want to print, let us say hello. Okay, and then this one. So if you run this, I hope it should work. Every blank you will be having hello. You see this gap has been filled with hello, this gap has been filled with hello, this gap has been filled with hello, and subsequently all the spaces, all the gaps have been filled with hello.